Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrew. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can feel that pace inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Doesn't thought I was over you. And just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't.